Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the percentage price oscillator or PPO indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool measures the percentage difference between two moving averages to help you analyze momentum and trend direction on your charts. In this video, you will see how the PPO is structured, how it appears on the chart, and which key settings you can adjust. The PPO indicator is a momentum oscillator that calculates the percentage difference between a short-term exponential moving average and a long-term exponential moving average. It is closely related to MACD, but instead of using absolute price differences, it expresses the relationship as a percentage of the longer EMA, which makes it easier to compare across instruments with different price levels. The PPO consists of a PPO line and a signal line that together describe whether momentum is bullish, bearish, or shifting. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so now we have it installed, and as you can see, on the chart, the PPO appears in a separate window as an oscillator plotted around the central zero line. You will see the PPO line, which moves above and below zero as the relationship between the short and long EMAs changes, and a smaller line plotted over it, making momentum shifts easier to see visually. As for the settings, let's check out the inputs. You can set the fast calculation period, slow calculation period, and also the price. You can also customize which colors you prefer based on your preferences, and also set your time frames and scale as well. As for who is for, the PPO indicator is intended for traders who want a percentage-based momentum oscillator that can be applied across Forex, stocks, indices, and other markets on MT5, and by extension on MT4 implementations that follow the same logic. It is still built for moving averages, so it is a lagging indicator, can give false or late indications, especially in sideways markets, and is not designed to execute trades or act as a complete system on its own. The PPO works best as one component within a broader analysis and risk management framework alongside other tools and price action. You can find the download link for the PPO indicator for MT5 in the description below. This has been a quick overview of how the PPO indicator is structured and displayed, brought to you by the Forex Geek. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications so you do not miss future indicator tutorials.